Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Kraken on your iPhone. First, download the Kraken Pro app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap Create Account. Enter your email address and choose a strong, unique password. Make sure to confirm your email through the link sent to your inbox. This initial step is crucial for securing your new trading account and getting started smoothly. After creating your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This involves providing personal details like your name, date of birth, and address, along with uploading a government-issued ID and a selfie. Once verified, you can link a bank account or debit card to your Kraken account. Then, easily deposit funds to begin trading. Security is paramount, so enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app for an extra layer of protection. Familiarize yourself with the Kraken Pro app's interface, which offers advanced trading tools and features. You can browse markets, view charts, and monitor live order books. When you're ready, place your first trade using market or limit orders. For more sophisticated strategies, Kraken Pro offers advanced order types like stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop orders. These tools help you manage risk and secure profits effectively. Regularly monitor your portfolio and stay informed about market trends directly within the app. Remember to check the description for helpful resources and other deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite for all your reading needs. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.